welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I will be making British chicken and mushroom pie, which I absolutely love, but I have never made it myself. So stay tuned to see the end result and to do a taste test with me. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 55 grams of butter, 1 onion sliced, 1 punnet of mushrooms halved, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh thyme, 40 grams of plain flour, 150 ml of dry white wine, 300 ml of chicken stock, 4 roasted chicken breast cubed, 142 ml of double cream, 1 roll of puff pastry, 1 egg beaten, some salt and black pepper to season, and a few sprigs of thyme to garnish. Step 1. Heat the butter in a large saucepan. This delicious chicken and mushroom pie originated in Great Britain. Then add the onions and allow this to cook over a medium heat for 5 minutes. Now add in the mushrooms and cook for a further 5 minutes. Then add the garlic and thyme and fry for 3 minutes. Now stir in the flour and allow this to cook, stirring continuously for another 5 minutes. Step 2. Now add the white wine and the chicken stock. Bring this to a boil and allow to simmer until thickened. Step 3. Add in the cooked chicken and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. This is a warm, delicious comfort food that just so happens to be easy and healthy too. Then add in the cream and season with salt and black pepper. Chicken and mushroom pie is one of Britain's favorite dishes, and this version is even more indulgent. Step 4. Spoon the chicken and mushroom filling into oven-proof dishes. I've got 2, a small round dish and a big round dish. Then roll the pastry and cut circles from the pastry. Now place this on top of the filling and press this down using a fork. Then brush with a beaten egg and top each with a sprig of thyme. Now bake for about 15 minutes until risen. Step 5. Serve warm with some creamy mashed potato. Have you ever tried this recipe? Let me know in the comments section. Well, this sure does look and smell amazing. I'm so excited to give it a try. It's so fantastic, so warm, so hearty. Definitely a good recipe, and I'll definitely be trying this again. That was so easy to make, and it's a great warm dish that the entire family can enjoy. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.